Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on this, add it to your cart, and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We got another one. This month is flying by. Pretty soon we'll have Christmas. So Santa Claus will be getting ready shortly. And you guys could take a look and see what these guys got to offer. Here we go. Oh, baby. There we go. We got Amazon. And now we have here, what is this? Lighting effect. Oh, starry pattern. Sky limit service. Looks pretty cool. From Germany. Hey. A bunch of stuff on the side. That light is killing. There we go. There's different colors. This is One Fire Galaxy Projector, Starlight Projector, made in China. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like and how it works. Here we go. Something at the bottom. Oh, whoa, this is a remote control. Look at that thing. So you're going to need batteries. So make sure you stock up this holiday season on batteries. Dang, this is a little tough. Amazon got really good batteries. So if you're looking... There we go. You're going to need 2 AAA. Be right back. Yeah, see, these are the good ones to get. Amazon Basics. They last a while, so definitely stock up on them for the holiday season, because you never know, especially with the remote controls and stuff like that. You're going to need to stock up on some batteries. Wow, this year is finally coming to an end. It's been interesting. That's for sure. If I could get it. I want it close. Hold on. Okay, we got it. Locked in. Ready to go. Easy push buttons. And now let's take a look. Kind of looks like an egg. We got a USB manual. I don't think we need the manual, but just in case, we are good to go. Just gotta make sure you turn it on. I don't think there's an app to it, so that's a good thing. One less app we need. So we got the remote control. And we got this little guy. Here's a USB or speaker. Audio cables. Got a little stand right here. That's pretty cool. Power. I didn't see the power. It's at the bottom. Yep, there it is. Alright, we got it. So everything comes with it that you need to get started. You might want to get 2, because I'm not sure how much this could cover for like a room, if you're going to do the whole room. So you might want to grab 2 of these. You should be good. I mean, one might work just as good, so we don't know until we try. And we go. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button Much appreciated. You never know when I might start doing giveaways back again. They might be coming around the mountain. You got a memory slot there. And aux cable. So you can run the speakers and whatnot. If I could get it into the slot. There we go. Right there. Take a look. Nothing needs to be removed. So see how it makes wavy? That's for this waves. Yeah. Here's on off different modes. We're gonna take this downstairs once I test it up here, because it's still early and bright out. So we'll go downstairs where it's darker. Well, right now we could just test it. Boom. Okay, we got that plugged in. Hit the lights. See the red's on. That's a good thing. Got speaker there. Slip guards there. Oh, she talked. Whoa. Sounds like somebody's using the bathroom. That's pretty cool though. Now let's see what this remote does. Rotate mode. I'm gonna have to shut off these lights or go downstairs. 2 hour, 4 hour timer. Music.
Bluetooth mode. Music.
See, there's a couple buttons right here. It says music. Click on that and you get different ambient sounds.
Bluetooth mode.
Or you can switch to Bluetooth mode and hook up your phone to it. Play some music through it.
Music.
Flash mode. Yeah, we're gonna need to go downstairs. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna shut that off.
Mode.
How to get copyrighted. Alright, next stop, basement. Here we go, guys. We got it set up in the room. Look at that. And now the remote. Got the red. You can pause it. Covers a pretty good amount. But like I said, depends on your room. You might want to get 2 of them. Kind of interacts with that one too. You got Bluetooth, timer set. Just pause it. So there's a good amount of colors to choose from. Red, green. That's pretty cool. So, like I said, just definitely check them out. If you like it, add it to your cart. Check out. Be safe. Have a good weekend.